welcome again. And this time we are going to be using what we learned before, prime factor decomposition, to find highest common factor and lowest common multiple. Now there's an example right here that says find the lowest common multiple and highest common factor of 24 and 32.
Okay.
I'm going to run through this very quickly. So the first step would be, step 1, you have to find the prime factor decomposition of these two numbers, which you now already know how to do.
Okay.
Okay, so if I did for 24, start with 24. So it's 24. I'll split into two numbers, which are, any two numbers?
2 and 12.
Shall we try another one?
3
And?
and
8.
yeah.
Okay, 3 is prime, 8 is not. I'll split that, 2 and 4, 2 is prime, 2 and 2, and we're done.
Yeah.
Right? And I can write here that 24 equal to 2 times 2 times 2 times 3, which you now know how to write in a short form as well, but we're not going to need a short form now because we're still going to be using this. Right, let's do 32. 32 is, well, shall I use 4 and 8?
Yeah.
Yeah, 4 and 8. Right, 4 and 8. Then we have 2 and 2. We have 2 and 4. And then 2 and 2.
Okay.
Right?
Yeah.
You know how to do this?
Yes.
Right, okay. I'm going to put 32 here and say, well, 32, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5 lots of 2s. So it's 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. Right, this first step is what we've done previously, and you're happy with that.
Yes.
The second step now would be a Venn diagram. Have you heard of that before?
Yes.
You know what it looks like?
No.
All right, I'm going to show you what a Venn diagram looks like. A Venn diagram is actually used in sets, what we call sets in mathematics.
Oh, I remember that.
You've seen this, haven't you? Okay, so let's imagine that, look, this is my field, right? Or let's say no. Let's say I use this circle to represent the people that play football. Do you play football?
No.
No. What do you play? What sports? What game? PlayStation? Xbox?
I play life.
Okay. Do you have a PlayStation or an Xbox?
Yes.
Okay. Let's say these circle here are for people that have got PlayStation. And this one here are for people that have got Xbox One. Right? Some people have both PlayStation and Xbox. Where do you think I'm going to put them in this diagram?
The middle.
In the middle, that middle. Yeah? Okay, we're going to use that idea to build this up. Now, let's say this is 24. This first circle belongs to 24. And the second circle belongs to the second number, which is 32.
Okay.
Happy?
Yeah.
Okay. Now, what I'm going to do is then go on to these two numbers and find a pair. If I can find a pair of numbers, then it goes in the middle.
Okay.
So look, I can find a 2 here.
Yeah.
It's got a corresponding pair here.
Yeah.
I can put a ring around them. Say, well, I can find a pair of 2. I'll put the 2 in the middle because it belongs to both of them.
Yeah.
What else can I find a pair for? What the number? It's right here.
2.
This 2 has a matching 2 here. Put a ring around it. It's common to both of them. There's a 2 common to 24 and 32. I'll put it in the middle again. What else can I find that's common to both numbers?
Another 2.
Another 2, thank you. Another 2, it goes in the middle here.
Okay.
Can I find a common pair for 3 here? No.
No.
but it belongs to 24, doesn't it?
Yes.
Okay, so that 3, since I can't find a pair for it, watch. Since I can't find a pair for it, I put it back into 24. 3. Got it?
Yeah.
Well, these 2, can I find any matching pair for them up there? Can I find a matching pair for this?
No.
No, it goes into its circle.
Yeah.
And the same for this guy, goes into his circle.
Yeah.
Now we've completed this Venn diagram.
Okay.
Step 2. So I'll bring this back again. Right. Step 1, to solve this problem, we found the prime factors of each numbers given to us. Yeah? We wrote them out nicely like this, and we went on to draw a Venn diagram.
Yeah.
Okay. Haven't got a Venn diagram, you're now going to find the highest common factor and the lowest common multiple.
Yeah.
Now, to find the highest common factor, just go in the middle here and multiply all the numbers you find there,
Yeah.
which is
2.
2
2
times 2
times 2.
times 2. What's 2 times 2 times 2?
6.
Check again.
Eight.
Indeed, 8. Happy with this?
Yes.
The next bit, how to find the lowest common multiple. To find the lowest common multiple, you've got to times all the numbers you find in the Venn diagram.
Okay.
I'll say that again. You need to remember this. To find the highest common factor, you go in the common area times all the numbers together.
Okay.
We're going to write this down in steps so you remember. Okay? We're going the middle area times all the numbers there to find the highest common factor. To get the lowest common multiple, though, you need to multiply all of these numbers together. It's not hard. Let's take it step by step. The first one is 3
Okay.
times 2
2.
times 2
2.
times
2.
times
2.
times 2.
2.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 lots of 2's times 3. Then we can find the answers here by saying 3 times 2
6.
times 2
12.
times 2
24.
times 2
48.
times 2.
96.
And that is your final answer. What we're going to do now is just write them in steps, basically. Right? Go through the steps again. When you're told to find highest common factor or lowest common multiples, you don't want to start drawing factor bugs for factors, right?
Yes.
That's kind of primary schoolish.
Yeah.
Yeah? And for lowest common multiple, you don't want to start doing multiples of these numbers are 1, 2, 3, 7, 8, 9, 10. The multiples of the other number are blah, 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 blah. That takes time. And even if it doesn't take time, imagine you're now told to find very large numbers. Find the lowest common multiple of 512 and 620. You will spend the whole day there trying to find the multiples, and you probably won't get them wrong, won't get them right. So instead, you break them down like this into prime factors.
Okay.
You write them out nicely.
Yeah.
Put them in a Venn diagram. First of all, you're checking for the common pair.
Yeah.
Yeah, common numbers. Put them in the middle.
Yeah.
And what's not common, whatever you can't find a pair for, put them in their corresponding rings
Okay.
or circle.
Yeah.
Having done that, you've got half your mark. Then
Okay.
go on to HCF to find the highest common factor. You times all the numbers in the middle area.
Okay.
To get the lowest common multiple, you times all of the numbers in the Venn diagram.
Okay.
Happy with that?
Yeah.
Okay, we're going to try a few questions now.